Dear customers, friends, welcome to Golden Tulip Artificial Flower and Plant New Items presentation. Today I would like to show you a new range of branches. We have 4 new styles. First 2 style, single branches with small leaves. And third style, branch with berries. And the fourth style, branch with leaves. Let's see the detail one by one. First two style, the small size in height 70 centimeter. And the big size in height 100 centimeter. Let's see the details one by one. Let's see. Small leaves, natural color, and natural structure. Also, the bigger one with more branches and leaves. Looks like the real one. And third style, branch with berries. We have 2 colors, orange and green. The height is 120 centimeter. And the fourth style, branch with leaves. We have 2 colors, green and brown. Green is with a little snow on top. And brown color, let's see the details. Natural structure, natural leaves, natural looking stem. Do you like them? Thank you very much.